Alright, so I'm going to lay down the bass line to the song Open Up the Heavens, and in B flat. So it's going to be up here on the 6th fret, and obviously I'm laying down the bass line on an acoustic guitar, but we got what we got. So the intro, it's just a real simple country beat. Okay, too easy. We've waited for this day, we've gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your glory like a fire, awaken in desire, burn our hearts with truth. You're the reason we're here, you're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Verse 2, your presence in this place, your glory on our face. Look into the sky, descending like a cloud. You're standing with us now, Lord, unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here, you're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Let's go to the bridge. There's two different bridges here. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. There's the first bridge. Here's the second one. It's going to go like this. Show us your glory. Show us your power, G. Show us your glory, Lord. Yeah. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. And open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Too easy. Holds that country beat all the way through, with the exception of that first bridge. Too easy.